Hello everyone. If you are struggling to connect your Arduino UNO R4 with Blynk application like me and you are wasting your time, you are on the right place. I will show you exactly how you can upload the code to the Arduino UNO R4 and make it work with Blynk application. So let's start. First of all, just open Arduino IDE. This is the old version. I will use the new one. You have to go to the file, examples, and search for Blynk. Let me start it again. You have to go to the examples, scroll down, search for the Blynk library. I haven't installed this library before, so we will go to the board's Wi-Fi and Arduino Wi-Fi Shield. If you have not installed the Blynk library, then you can click on Library Manager, and here you can search for Blynk, and you can install this library. For this tutorial, I will be sending the time data from Arduino UNO R4 to Blynk server, and for that we also need a library called time. And this is the library time by Michael Margolis. You have to install this library as well. So what we have to do here is the simple Wi-Fi library will not work with Arduino UNO R4. The first thing we have to do is we have to change this with Wi-Fi S3 that is compatible with Arduino UNO R4. Then here you have to set your Wi-Fi name and the password for it. And as I have mentioned that we will be sending the clock time data to the Blynk server. For that we will have to add a few other lines in this code as well. The first thing we will include is time library, and the other library will be widgets RTC, real time clock widget library. So we have to install these two libraries, and after this we will first create an object for the Blynk timer. So we will write a function and that will be continuously called, and then we will create RTC widget object, and then we will need a function. I will write it exactly here. So here is the function clock display. Basically, it will be picking up the hours, minutes, seconds, and we are converting it into a string that will be represented. Then we are getting the date, and then I'm using virtual pin V1 for the time and virtual pin V2 for the date. And when Blynk will be connected, it will get synchronized with the RTC, and then when the RTC will be synchronized, we will be able to get the hours and minutes. Then here, the first thing we have to do is set synchronization interval. So it will synchronize the RTC after this interval, and then we will use the timer to automatically call this clock display function after every second. So we will use 1000 with L. The L will represent it as a long, and then we will use the function name that we have to call after every second. And with the blink.run, we have to also add timer.run. That's it from the coding side. Now we will move for the Blynk. Okay, inside the Blynk, I have already created a device, but we will create dashboard here. So in the dashboard, we will use two widgets from the menu, and that will be label, and both will be label. For the first one, we will call it as a time, and for the data stream, we will use virtual pin v1 for the time, and data type will be string. We will create it. Same for the second one. Create a data stream, virtual pin, name it as date, use virtual pin v2, data type string, and we will create it. Then we will just plug our Arduino UNO R4 and upload the code. One thing I missed here is we have to first save and apply, then we have to copy this device information and we have to replace it here. So the code has been compiled and now it is uploading. We will go to the Blynk, and here we are getting our data. If we open serial monitor, I will press reset. It is connected with the Blynk. It's so simple. I hope it will help you as well. And if we will watch our dashboard, we will be able to see the time is updating after every second. I hope you will like this tutorial, and if you liked it and it helped you, then give a subscribe to this channel. Thank you.